I will teach you exercise 1.4 of NCERT chapter first integers. So our first question is evaluate each of the following. We have to find out this division means we have to divide this minus 30 by 10. So my advice would be that just divide this 30 by 10 and just forget the sign of these numbers. We will do this sign later on. First we will divide this number just like this is the plus number, that is 30 divided by 10, and it's very easy to divide 30 by 10. You will get the answer 3. So our solution would be 30 divided by 10. So I have told you about the multiplication rule. So in the same way, in the division also, you just think about the multiplication rule. And the multiplication rule is that if one number is negative and another number is positive, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So we will apply the multiplication rule in the division also. So what we will do, we will our first step would be just divide these numbers with each other without thinking any plus or minus sign, and whatever the answer you will get after dividing, then think about the rule of the multiplication rule and just apply that rule in the division also. So our answer would be minus 3, because here 30 is negative number and 10 is a positive number, and if one number is negative and another number is positive, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So our answer would be minus 3. But you have to write this statement that when we divide a negative integer, that is minus 30, by a positive integer, that is 10, we first divide them as a whole number. That what I have just told you, just divide the numbers as just like the whole number without thinking any positive or a negative integer. So divide them as a whole number and then put minus sign before the quotient. Quotient means your answer. So just put the minus sign here. But you have to, in this type of question, you have to mention this statement. So next part is B part, that we have to divide 50 by 5. So it's very easy to divide this 50 by 5. You will get the answer 10. 5 10 is 50. And the sign of the answer we will and for the sign of the answer we will apply the rule of a multiplication. Here one number is positive and another number is negative, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So our solution would be 50 divided by minus 5. So we will get the answer 10, and I have just told you that just think about this is a whole number and divide this number without thinking the plus or the minus sign, and after that, after the division, just think about the multiplication rule and apply there. So here our answer would be minus 10. But you have to mention this statement that when we divide a positive integer, that is 50, by a negative integer, that is minus 5, we first divide them as a whole number, that's I have told you just now, and then put a minus sign before the quotient. So our answer would be minus 10. So our third part is, that is the C part. We have to divide these numbers and both the numbers are negative, that is 36 and minus 9. Just think about them as a whole number. Just divide the 36 by 9 and you will get the answer 4. 9 4s are 36. Now think about the multiplication rule. Here both the numbers are negative, so the sign of the answer is in a positive, and mention that statement, that is when we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put a positive sign before the quotient, that is plus 4. So D part is, we have to divide this minus 49 by the plus 49. Just divide them as a whole number and then after think about this the plus or minus sign. So if you divide 49 by 49, you will get the answer 1, because if you divide any number with the same number, you will get the answer 1. So our answer would be 1. So but for the sign of this answer, we have to apply the rule of the multiplication. Here one number is negative and another number is positive, so our answer would be in a negative, just like in the multiplication rule. So our answer would be minus 1. But you have to mention this statement, that is when we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put a negative sign before this quotient. So our next part is, that is E part. we have to solve this bracket according to the BODMAS rule, because in a BODMAS rule, before divide, multiplication and addition and subtraction, before do these things, we have to solve the bracket first, because B means bracket. So we will solve this bracket first, and the answer we will get after this bracket, then we will divide these number by 13. So how we will solve this bracket? So solution would be this minus 2, and this there it is a plus 1, there it is a minus 2, and that is a plus 1. So we will apply the rule of addition or subtraction here. Here one number is negative, that is 2, and another number is positive. So we have to subtract those number with each other, and the sign of the answer depend upon the sign of the greater number. So if we subtract 2 minus 1, you will get the answer 1, that is minus 1. Why minus 1? Because there 2 is a greater number. So our answer would be minus 1. Now this equation will be same just like we have done in the previous parts. So what we will do in this, we will think about this as a whole number and just divide these numbers. So if you divide 13 by 1, you will get the answer 13. And now apply the rule of the multiplication. Here 13 is a positive number and 1 is a negative number, and if one number is positive and another number is negative, so the sign of the answer is in a negative. So our answer would be minus 13. But you have to mention this statement that when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then put minus sign before the quotient. So next part is, that is the F part, and it is a very easy part, because you know that if you divide and multiply any number by 0, you will get the answer 0, and in the 0 you don't have to think about the rule of a multiplication and division. So if you divide 0 by 12, you will get the answer simple 0. So solution would be, if you divide 0 by minus 12, you will get the answer 0, and in a 0 we don't have to think about the plus or the minus sign. So when we will write like this, that when we divide 0 by a negative integer, it gives us a 0 only. So our next part is, that is G part, and in the G part also we have to find out this, we have to solve this bracket first, and whatever the answer we will get, then we will divide that answer by 31, that is minus 31. So how we will solve this bracket? We have to apply the rule of addition or a subtraction here. First I will solve this plus and this minus, it will become minus in my next step. So my next step is minus 30, because in the next step I have opened this smaller bracket, and I have told you in my previous video also that if you have two bracket, this is a bigger bracket and this is a smaller bracket. First you have to solve this smaller bracket, and after that you have to solve this bigger bracket. So what I have done in this step, I have opened this smaller bracket. So when you open this smaller bracket, that is minus 30 would be same as it is, and this plus and this minus will become minus in this step. And what you have to do in this, you have to apply the rule of addition or a subtraction here, because both the numbers are negative, and if both numbers are negative, we have to add those number, and the sign of the answer depend upon the sign of the greater number. So if you add 30 and 1, you will get the answer 31. And the sign of this 31 depend upon the sign of this greater number, that is 30. So our answer would be minus 31. And if you see, if you divide this 31, and now just think about these number as a whole number without thinking the plus or the minus sign, just divide the 31 by 31, you will get the answer 1. Now apply the rule of a multiplication here, because here both the numbers are negative, and if both numbers are negative, so the sign of the answer is in a positive. So our answer would be plus 1. But you have to mention this statement, that is when we divide a negative integer, that is minus 31, by a negative integer, that is minus 31, and we first divide them as a whole number and then put the plus sign before the quotient. So our H part is, we have to solve this bracket first, and whatever the answer we will get, we will divide that answer by 3. So how we will solve this? I have told you that we have to solve this smaller bracket first. So in the next step we will open this smaller bracket, that is minus 36 divided by 12. So if you divide this 36 by 12, you will get the answer 3. Means 12 3 is 36. So if you divide 36 by 12, you will get the answer 3. But the sign of this 3 depend upon the rule of the multiplication, because the multiplication rule and the division rule are just like the same. So if you see that here one number is negative and that 12 is a positive number, and if one number is negative and another number is positive, so we have so the sign of the answer is in a negative, so our answer would be -3. And now we have two numbers and we have to divide these numbers with each other. So if you divide 3 by 3, you will get the answer 1. So just divide this number as a whole number and then apply the rule of a multiplication here, and if you divide 3 by 3, you will get the answer 1. And there it is a -1, because here one number is negative and another number is positive, that is 3. But you have to mention this statement, that is, when we divide a negative integer by a positive integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then just put the minus sign before the question. So I part, that is the last part of this question. We have the two brackets now. First we will solve these brackets, and whatever the answer we will get after solving these bracket, we will divide these numbers with each other. So here we have to solve this smaller bracket first. So in the next step, what my equation will become, -6 plus 5, it will become, we have to apply the rule of a addition or a subtraction here. So if you subtract 6 and 5 with each other, you will get the answer 1. Means 6 minus 5 equals to 1. But the sign of this 1 depend upon the sign of the greater number, and here greater number is 6, that is the negative number. So my answer would be -1. And this divide is same as it is, and in order to solve this bracket, what we have to do, we have to apply the rule of addition or a subtraction here, and here one number is negative, that is -2, and one is positive, and if one number is negative and another number is positive, so we have to subtract those numbers with each other. So if you subtract 2 minus 1, you will get the answer 1, and the sign of this 1 depend upon the sign of the greater number, and here greater number is 2. So my answer would be -1. Now this equation, we have to solve this equation, that we have to divide -1 by -1. So just divide this number just like the whole number. If you divide 1 by 1, you will get the answer 1. And for the sign of this one, we have to apply the rule of a multiplication here, and here if both numbers are negative, so the sign of the answer is in a positive. But we have to mention this statement, that is, when we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as a whole number and then just put the sign plus sign before the quotient. So this video is completed, and in the next video we will do another questions of this exercise. And friends, if you like this video, then please share it with your friends and hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because whenever I will upload new videos, you will get the notification of that video. So hit the bell icon also to get the notification of my all videos. So we will meet in the next video.